I think the timing is very important now because of the number of trees that we've lost during hurricanes, and we really need to work to enhance our tree canopy to restore it.
This organization is actually here to preserve and protect and plant trees. And of course, part of that is today is distributing trees that other people can plant besides us. And so we exist because we are an area that has a lot of storms, so we're trying to replace as many as we can and keep our urban forest as nice as it already is.
So at SageSure, we help people during their losses, during those tragic losses, and we come together and we help rebuild their homes. But trees typically aren't covered. So we're especially proud to have been a part to donate more than 1,700 trees today to the Wilmington community.
A lot of people canceled things because we had the storm coming, we had winds coming, and yet we had people here waiting for trees at 7 o'clock in the morning, lining up 3 hours later in the wind and rain, and the volunteers helping these folks who really cared enough to get trees for their yards or in the community as a whole. It means a lot to see the involvement, not only from volunteers, but from the community, and to see the volunteers be amazed at how many people come out. 3 hours of rain didn't stop them today. They were here to help, and it's wonderful to see that and wonderful to see the support for the organization.